Today I will show you how to download and activate Windows 11. Open any web browser. Select Windows 11. Select your language. Click on 64-bit download. This link is valid for 24 hours. If you want to download Windows 11 with Office 2019, go to this website. To activate Windows 11 without buying product key, go to this website. I already downloaded. To make your USB drive bootable, download RUFUS. Click Start to make your USB drive bootable. To activate Windows 11, extract and install KMspico. Follow my mouse cursor.